Do you know that you have just gone through major abdominal surgery, so your recovery is even more important to prioritize? Give your body the best healing period. Though your doctor will tell you what to do, but here are a few tips from my side. Keep your incision clean. After the approval of your doctor, take good showers. Use warm soapy water to clean and pat dry the area always. Keep it dry and clean. With that point, wear loose cotton clothes to avoid extra sweating. In case of any pain or discomfort, you can use warm heating pads and not hot. In case of bad cough and sneezing, put your hand while doing so holding your incision. Take help as much as you can. Avoid lifting anything heavy. After you take a go ahead from your doctor, do some walking and mobility. What it does, it will help in blood circulation, prevent blood clotting, it will help in faster recovery. Try different positions while breastfeeding, football pose, side lying, however you feel comfortable. Walking will also help make the bowel movements better because postpartum constipation is for real. Use footstool when you're doing so. It will help you to squat better. Read the caption below for the red flags and call your doctor ASAP. Take care.